Airplane design is a complex and fascinating field that combines engineering, physics, and even art. The goal is to create a flying machine that is safe, efficient, and meets the needs of its intended purpose. The design process typically begins with the conceptual phase, where the basic layout and size of the aircraft are determined. This is followed by the preliminary design phase, where the aerodynamics, structures, and systems of the aircraft are refined in more detail. Finally, the detailed design phase focuses on the specific components and manufacturing processes that will be used to build the aircraft. Here are some of the key factors that are considered in airplane design. Aerodynamics. This is the study of how air flows around the aircraft, and it is essential for generating lift, which is the force that allows the aircraft to fly. The wings, fuselage, and tail of the aircraft are all designed to create a specific aerodynamic effect. Structures. The aircraft must be strong enough to withstand the forces of flight, including lift, drag, weight, and gravity. The fuselage, wings, and other components are made from lightweight materials that are still strong and durable. Propulsion. The aircraft needs a source of power to move through the air. This can be in the form of jet engines, propellers, or even electric motors. The type of propulsion system that is used will depend on the size, range, and purpose of the aircraft. Systems. The aircraft also needs a variety of systems to function properly, such as flight controls, landing gear, and avionics. These systems must be reliable and easy to use in order to ensure the safety of the aircraft and its passengers. Airplane design is constantly evolving as new technologies and materials become available. Today's airplanes are more fuel efficient, quieter, and safer than ever before. As the demand for air travel continues to grow, we can expect to see even more innovative and exciting airplane designs in the years to come. Please check description for a book on the matter.